if you're looking to improve performance on your Nintendo Switch by lowering the graphics settings, follow these simple steps to optimize your gaming experience. Step 1. Access System Settings. Navigate to the Home menu and select the gear icon to open the system settings. This is where you can adjust various settings related to your console. Step 2. Select TV Settings. Scroll down to the TV Settings option. Here you can adjust the resolution and other display settings that may affect graphics performance when docked. Step 3. Adjust Screen Brightness. In the system settings, go to Screen Brightness under the Display section. Lowering the brightness can help improve battery life and reduce strain on the graphics processor. Step 4. Enable Airplane Mode. If you're playing online games, consider enabling Airplane Mode to reduce background processes. This can help free up resources and improve performance during gameplay. Step 5. Close background applications. Press the Home button and check for any running applications. Close any unnecessary apps to ensure that your Switch has maximum resources available for the game you are playing. By following these steps, you can effectively lower the graphics settings on your Nintendo Switch and enhance your gaming performance. Enjoy your improved gaming experience.